Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone and iPad. Recently, many iPhone users have reported that the Bluetooth is not working on their device. If this issue has troubled you as well, I have got you covered with the best tips and tricks to fix the problem. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, I would recommend you to turn off and on the Bluetooth on your device. Since it has worked for many users, I can vouch for its effectiveness. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. After that, tap on Bluetooth and then turn off the toggle next to Bluetooth. Now restart your device, and once your device has rebooted, go back to the Bluetooth setting and then turn it on. After that, connect your iPhone to the Bluetooth device. Make sure that the Bluetooth device is charged. If the accessory is running low on power, make sure to charge it up beforehand. Then I would suggest you to force your iPhone or iPad to forget the Bluetooth device and then reconnect to it. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now tap on Bluetooth. Then tap on the info button next to the Bluetooth device in question. And after that, tap on forget this device and confirm the action. Then reconnect your iPhone to the Bluetooth device and check if the problem is gone. If it has, then you have gotten the better of the issue. After that, I would suggest you to reset the network settings because it has long been highly effective in fixing Bluetooth issues. To get it done, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now tap on General. Then scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone or iPad. Then tap on Reset. Then tap on Reset Network Settings and confirm the action. After you have reset the network settings on your iPhone, reset your Bluetooth device as well. When it comes to fixing Bluetooth issues, it is highly effective, therefore make sure to give it a try as well. And finally, I would recommend you to update the software on your iPhone or iPad because I suspect there could be a hidden software bug behind this issue. To get it done, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then tap on General. Then tap on Software Update, and after that, download and install the latest iteration of iOS or iPadOS as usual, and that's all there is to it. So, these are the best tips and tricks to fix Bluetooth issues on iPhone and iPad. Hopefully, you have gotten the better of the problem and Bluetooth has started to work as usual. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time.